Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to enlarge the size of the icons and fonts in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, you can see the default size of the respective icons as well as the fonts. So in order to enlarge the size of these respective icons as well as the fonts, what you need to do is just go to the settings and just click on this display option, and now just scroll down below. Now you will see here one option written easy mode. Just click on it. Now just turn it on. Now you can see the size of the fonts has already increased. Now just minimize it. Now you can see the size of the respective icons has also been enlarged, as well as the size of the fonts, as you can see, has been enlarged. And even if you go to the app drawer also, you can see the size of the icons, the folder size, as well as the fonts have all increased. And if you want to restore it back, just move back to the settings and move back to the display option again. And once again, click on this easy mode and just disable this easy mode option. You can see it's being restored back to the default size. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily enlarge the size of the icons and fonts in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.